Ehime Maru, ship collision. On 10 January 2001, Ehime Maru, a Japanese fishing trawler, 191 feet, 58 meters, in length and measuring 741 gross tons, departed for Hawaii on a planned 74-day voyage to train high school students interested in pursuing careers as fishermen. A total of 35 people were on board. On 9 February 2001 at 13:43, Ehime Maru collided with United States Navy nuclear-powered submarine USS Greeneville. The rapidly ascending submarine surfaced directly under Ehime Maru. The submarine rudder sliced Ehime Maru's hull. Within 5 seconds the vessel lost power and began to sink, taking 9 of the 35 lives aboard. 26 were rescued, and start the search for the missing passengers. As for the submarine, USS Greeneville, it suffered some damage in the collision. Beginning at the 31-foot 9-meter mark on the submarine's rudder's surface tiles had been sheared off, exposing bare metal. A 24-foot or 7 meters section of acoustic hull surface treatment tiles below the sail had been damaged as well. Greeneville was repaired in a dry dock at Pearl Harbor at a cost of $2 million. The submarine returned to operational status on 18 April 2002. Investigation of the incident. United States Navy initiated their investigation into the incident. On 10 February, U.S. Navy Admiral Charles Griffith was assigned to direct the investigation. Griffith's team completed a preliminary inquiry report and submitted it to Admiral Fargo. He announced that United States Navy would convene a court of inquiry, highest form of administrative hearing. Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force sent Rear Admiral Isamu Ozawa to participate in the inquiry. After hearing of testimonies from 31 witnesses, the court completed its hearings on 20 March. The court made several findings, including that Captain Waddell failed to take positive action in response to the non-availability of AVSDU. 9 of the 13 watch stations in and around the control room were manned by substitute personnel, and sonar operator was unqualified to stand watch. The court suggested that the accident was caused by series and combination of individual negligence on board Greeneville. The court recommended against court-martial for the officers involved, because of absence of any criminal intent, or deliberate misconduct. On 1 October 2001, Commander Scott Waddell retired from U.S. Navy. On 14 December 2002, Waddell traveled to Japan and personally apologized to the victims' families. Commander Scott Waddell accepted full responsibility for the incident. Salvage and recovery of Ehime Maru. On 16 February 2001, using Scorpio remotely piloted underwater vehicle (ROV), the vessel was located in 2,000 feet (610 meters) of water on the ocean bottom. After assessing the technical feasibility and environmental impact of raising Ehime Maru, the U.S. government decided to proceed recovering the ship in June 2001. The Dutch company Smit International and Crowley Maritime Corp. was contacted by the U.S. government for the job. After discussing between Japan, U.S. government and the companies, it is decided not to raise Ehime Maru all the way to the surface, but lift and carry it underwater, to shallow water near Oahu, once their divers can get in the ship to search for the missing passengers. The contractor's diving support vehicles prepared the vessel for the lift. After some difficulty, the vessel was lifted from the ocean floor and slowly moved to a location closer to shore. On the 14th of October the wreck was set down in 115 feet or 35 meters of water. On the 15th of October first team of divers started searching for the missing passengers in the wreckage. Under low to zero visibility conditions 66 U.S. and 30 Japanese divers conducted 526 dives over 29 days. The diving crew recovered 8 of the 9 passengers from the ship. After recovery was completed, the ship was taken to 6,000 feet or 1,800 meters of water and sunk. The operation costs around $60 million US. This became the first in history to salvage an object of that size from 2,000 feet or 610 meters of water.